Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a great drink for we ladies, boom 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 boom. So how are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay, so today's drink is going to make you the queen lady. You are gonna be in charge and all of that. Okay, so let me hurry up, get you right into this video so you could see all of the goodness, and I'm sure it's going to be helpful. Okay, let's go. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Okay, so here I have my tiger nuts. You have to be the queen lady. Okay, here I have my tiger nuts, and tiger nuts is what you're gonna be needing. Yeah, it's actually an healthy ingredients that helps you as a lady. Okay, so this is what you're going to do. I've actually washed it already and I'm gonna be putting in water. So what we're going to do is to blend. So we blend. Okay, so done blending, and the ideal thing for this tiger nut is for you to actually sieve out the milk. Okay, sieve out the milk. So I'm actually going to be adding in water so that the milk is going to be much, because it's actually super duper thick. Okay guys, so this is our tiger nut milk. Alright, so the next one we're going to be needing is pineapple. Now, have you actually wondered why doctors prescribe pineapple for people who just actually finish surgery? It is actually because it helps so much, and in this remedy it's actually going to actually put you in that mood. Okay, so now when you're in that mood you can do anything, not anything though, but you have to take control of yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting this, and then I'll remove the inner parts. And then I'm going to blend this. You have to be sieving it out. Now you can actually decide to blend all of this together. As you can see, my blender is actually not big, so that's why I'm actually blending them one after the other, and so at least you can actually see all of the fruits that we're going to be using. Okay, so done blending my pineapple. Now the next ingredient which we are going to be needing is watermelon. Now watermelon is actually very ideal for the woman's body. Okay, it helps so much to, you know, make you want to play Okocha and Ronaldo. It just makes you want to all of the time. Anytime you actually use this, that's how you're gonna be feeling. You want to play Okocha and Ronaldo. Since my blender is actually not big, I'll have to be using my knife and cutting it this way so that it can blend. Otherwise, I've actually tried it before, it didn't blend. So after doing that, then I'll blend it. So I'll sieve it out. Okay, my watermelon juice is ready, and now we're gonna be needing some dates. So you're gonna be needing some ripe dates. Now make sure to remove the seeds. Okay, so I'll have to be breaking it in smaller pieces. And after that, then we'll blend it. We'll put in a little water. Okay, so we're done doing that. Oh my god, this date is just gonna make this whole drink taste sweeter, and your honey, what should I even call it, your Jerusalem is going to be sweeter and very sweet, just like this date. Date is usually very sweet. Okay guys, so now we're gonna be getting a glass, and this is all of our very important juices. And here I have the 4. This is watermelon. This is tiger nuts. This is pineapple, and this is dates. God, I can't just wait to taste this. I cannot wait to feast into this, to drink this. This is just everything. This is so good. Yeah, look at that. The color is so amazing, and it does a whole lot of stuff. So when your person is set, you are set. Like, you are even more set than he is. Okay, so you are going to be the queen lady with this. Be the queen lady at night with this. Okay, when you guys want to play a culture, he's gonna be like, oh, what's up? Oh my god, I actually never tested that before. Man, you taste different, you know. That's how it's gonna be. Okay guys, so actually you have to drink this. Well, you can actually take this as your normal drink, like, you know, whenever you feel like drinking it, you can just make it and then drink it. And let me take mine. I cannot wait. Oh my goodness, it is so delicious. It tastes nice and it does a whole lot of things. Can you imagine? Like, this is so great. I'm super excited trying this out. I'm sure today my husband is going to run. Okay guys, so that's it. Go give this a go and I'm sure you're gonna be loving it. Everything in here are natural and it is very well healthy. Okay guys, so that's it. I actually, you know, want to say a whole lot of things in a language that you adults are gonna understand, okay? Because, you know, YouTube does not support some stuff, you know, so we have to respect that. Okay, so this is actually going to actually energize you, activate you, make you, you know, want to, you know, that kind of thing. If you want to play a Cristiano Ronaldo, you know, you just drink it and nobody can stand you. Nobody can stand your way. Okay guys, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please thumbs up, subscribe and share. And this drink actually tastes great and it looks really great too. The color is amazing. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye guys.